Sorry I'm not there with you today. I'm actually at a family funeral, but it's a very happy occasion because my nana has gone to be with Jesus, which is a very good thing. Anyway, uh, when you come into class, what you need to do is you need to see the feedback that I've given you. So if I log in as Ella, Ella is going to come in, click on statistics, click on the internal, and click on her entry. And then if she clicks here, she'll see the information. And if she clicks here again, she will be able to go and look at the feedback that I've given her. Okay, and she's only got one bit of feedback because hers was very good. Well done, Ella. Anyway, have a good lesson. Once you've made any changes I've suggested, get started on your CUSS analysis. Remember, that is due on Friday. Turned in so I can check it next weekend. Enjoy.